Hello everybody, we are still factoring greatest common factors today. The only difference is the greatest common factor in this case is a binomial. So what you'll notice here is we've really got kind of one term here, this a times a plus 3, plus another term, the 4 times a plus 3. What you might notice is a plus 3 over here is the very same thing as a plus 3 over here. So that's our common factor. That's our GCF. What we're going to do is we're going to factor out that GCF and write it out front. A plus 3. And we're really thinking of a plus 3 as if it was just one thing. Everything in that parentheses we're thinking of as if it was just one number. We factor out the a plus 3. And then we are just using the distributive property here. We're asking ourselves, well, a plus 3 distributed here times what number would give us our whole first term? Well, a plus 3 times a is a times a plus 3. So right here goes a. A plus 3 times what number gives us our second term? Well, a plus 3 times 4 is our second term. So we would multiply a plus 3 times 4 to get our second term. And since this is a positive 4, we have a plus 3 times a plus 4. And this is your answer. We factored out a common binomial. Okay? Let's try another one. Number 2 is r times t minus 4 plus 5 times t minus 4. So you might notice right away the common factor is t minus 4. Maybe I'll go over it in a different color. We'll make it stand out just a little bit. So again, we're treating that just like a GCF. Every bit the same as what you did last week with factoring out GCFs. The GCF is t minus 4. We're treating it again just as if it was just one single number. We factor out a t minus 4 and give ourselves an extra set of parentheses. T minus 4 times something is r times t minus 4. Well, that something is always going to be this r. T minus 4 times something over here is 5 times t minus 4. T minus 4 times positive 5. Okay. Moving on, the last one I have for you here, number 3, is just a little bit different because this is subtraction. We're subtracting these terms, so you might notice right away, again, your common binomial factor is a y plus 2. We'll factor that out, y plus 2, and we'll think about what's left. Well, y plus 2 times something here is our first term. Y plus 2 times y squared. Y plus 2 times something is our second term, but here my second term is a negative 3 times y plus 2. So what I need to do is I need to just remember that that's a negative 3. Now if I were to distribute this y plus 2 to everything in parentheses, y plus 2 times y squared is my first term, y plus 2 times negative 3 is my second term. I am done. Have a great day, folks.